One of our audience members' birthday party was a Bollywood themed birthday party.
Yeah.
So they are like cool people, unlike us.
Hey, I have a Bollywood themed show. What more do you want of us?
They don't do this for reach, they do this for fun. Okay, so yeah.
Also, they have the contacts. It makes sense for Sikhya, an Oscar-winning production house,
Yeah.
and Dharma, a Filmfare-winning production.
एक सेकंड मेरे क्वेश्चन वहीं आएगा
Question यही आएगा.
भाई ब्लॉक हो रहा है
You're calling me fat?
मतलब मेरी बहन ने बोला मुझे देखनी है, मैंने उसे झूठ बोला कि आसपास के सिनेमा में ही नहीं लगे वो
For
इतना
what dialogue?
फनी था where he's like मेरा भाई बोल नहीं सकता, हाँ तो मेरा भाई सुन नहीं सकता
The next game is one of my favorites. It's called Versus
Yeah.
Baby.
Fuck.
Yeah.
It's the worst game.
This
Yeah.
is the worst, like worst game बहुत अच्छा है, we are very bad.
Hello and welcome to That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny comedians. One of them is a comedian. One of them is a
He's
serial,
very funny.
very funny podcaster, a serial podcaster now.
That sounded sarcastic. A funny podcaster.
I'm also a funny podcaster. That's what I like to believe. Hey, that was the voice of Abbas Bobin.
Hello. Yes, hi. My name is Abbas, and whether or not I become a Badshah here, I'm definitely going back with the Begum. You have been warned.
Who is this Begum?
See,
That you randomly are
I
picking up.
told you, one of us is a comedian, one of us is funny.
That was the voice of Sarela Neja.
Hello, I'm Stay Laneja, or thanks for calling me back on the show, I guess.
Yeah, very, very funny indeed. All right, welcome guys. Welcome to the
One
show.
of us is a comedian, the other knows how to do an intro.
मैं कह रहा हूँ दूसरा वाला ही
This
funny
is-
है.
I think we should start. Let's start again, guys. It's all good.
Neither of us is a comedian. And we're here because we're Antariksh's friend.
Hey, it works. It works. So Abbas, Snail, welcome to the show. Welcome to That Film
Thank
Game
you.
Show. We are also joined by a little bit of a live audience today.
Yes, woo!
Who were very
Let us
disappointed.
clap for the audience.
The live audience was very disappointed when they entered and saw that they were the only three people who were going to be attending the show today. Clearly, there was. My mother has not been this disappointed when she heard that there were three people coming to the audience today. But these guys, what's up? What are your names, ma'am? Oh, okay. Don't say your name. So these guys are like really afraid of like saying scandalous stuff and getting fired. Is that what you're afraid of?
There's no...
Then you just don't want your friends to know that you were attending something this uncool. God damn it! I don't need this shit in my life.
No, it's been established that one of our audience members' birthday party was a Bollywood themed birthday party.
Yeah.
So they are like cool people, unlike us.
Hey, I have a Bollywood themed show. What more do you
don't-
want of us?
They don't do this for reach, they do this for fun. Okay, so yeah.
That is true.
But there's no camera on the audience, right?
They're not cam.
I don't know why you're
but-
saying 3 people. I can see 300 right here. Yeah, let's make some
Hey,
noise,
hey,
guys.
hey. It's a full house. It's
a
I
full
put out
house,
3
yes.
chairs and they're all full. No. I
And
put out- I
fourth
put
पे
out
मेरा
4.
बैग है.
Yeah. It's in attendance.
In attendance,
Yeah,
उसका चेहरा
very
बना.
much.
Yeah, pretty cool. What do you do? Don't give me the company name if you're this scared of it being out there.
Copywriter.
You're a copywriter?
I'm also copywriter.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the entire world
you
is a
colleagues?
copywriter, bro. Abbas,
She looks happy.
Saying you're also in the audience. How is this happening? What kind of copywriting do you do?
Stuff for brands, mostly finance, BFSI brands.
Finance, BSSI. What does BFSI? What does BFSI mean?
Best friend since
India. I love how all three of us thought India. किसी को I से और कोई word ही नहीं आया.
Iceland, maybe Iceland. What does BFSI stand for? Because all of us are 3 dumb idiots.
I wish I knew.
Okay then.
I love this. You are clearly a great copywriter for BFSI friends. I hope we get more work. That's why she didn't want to say her name. In case this shit gets out there, I'm never gonna get a job ever again. Johnny, next to you, yes, you are with 2 of your friends. So what is your name?
Yeah, hi, my name is Rohil. I work in finance in...
BFSI. Also. Does she copyright for your companies?
No, thankfully not.
Wow.
Wow. We're ending friendships today, guys.
They
That's
walked
it.
in. They walked in as 3 friends. Will they walk out?
As 3 enemies.
No, my company can't afford her work. That's,
Oh, now you have to say that. It's okay. But go
nice.
ahead. Oh, so what do you do for them?
yeah, I work in finance in a
Also, I noticed how Rohit didn't have problems with saying that he's Rohit.
I don't think it's Rohit. Rohil.
Rohil.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. It's like
Yeah.
nobody will know that. And Rohil, you're next to?
Yeah, my name is Arvi.
Hi, Arvi. Again, I know 2 of your names now. It's very weird that we don't know your name. What are you hiding?
Janvi.
Janvi. No, you should have hidden that only.
And I work as a software engineer.
You worked as a software engineer in Bombay. You're all from Bombay, right? How long did you travel? How long did you travel to get here right now?
1 hour 15 minutes.
That deserves a round of applause. Yes. No wonder they were disappointed when they got here.
And the other 2?
Yeah, same. We
They all.
Oh, you all
yeah.
three came together? Oh, okay, cool, man. Again, great that you guys are here. Awesome. You know, you guys also now, as part of the audience, get to play along with the games. You are literally competing with these guys. You will get to answer lesser questions because the questions are always given to them. But it has happened. It has absolutely happened.
Wait, the
that
questions
audience-
haven't been given to us. Like, we don't know what the questions are.
They are first presented to them because this guy's an idiot. Can't understand what I mean. So you guys get to play along. It has absolutely happened that even though the audience gets to answer lesser questions, they still have beat at least one audience member. Sorry, at least one contestant. Sorry, at least one contestant on the panel they have beat. It has
That's
happened
not
before,
surprising,
and
yeah.
it could happen again. So you guys, all the best.
उसने तो होस्ट भी किया हुआ है बॉलीवुड वाला.
वो तो जीतना चाहिए.
I was the quiz master. She was the winner. She was the runner up.
Oh, wow.
Out of
This is
2.
Wait, what an incestuous group this is,
Was
man.
this show the prize? Like,
No.
the first runner-up gets
I
to
think you
attend
guys
live
need
recording.
to make more friends. Everyone was the 3 people that attended that show.
Also
Yeah.
attended that party and were the only ones to be participating in it.
Thank you, guys. Again, very sweet that you guys could make it here. Okay, thank you so much for being here, guys. Let's start with what is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you guys have seen?
Oh, what's the most recent Hindi film
Kalki
that I've
dekhi?
seen?
Kalki dekhi
No, I
isn't
haven't
it?
seen Kalki yet.
Did you guys
Also,
watch
Kalki
Kalki?
is not Hindi.
Fuck, Kalki was fucking awesome, dude. Did you have
I
a good
was.
time?
Yeah, I had very low expectations.
सेम मुझे लग रहा था गणपत 2 बना रहे हैं.
Same.
I worried it was Adipurush sort of thing.
Or Brahmastra, you know, somewhere in between.
Surprisingly, the VFX were good.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude, one of the best VFX shots, I don't know if you agree with me, was firstly everything fucking Yaskin they showed off. Great VFX, right? But one excellent more VFX shot in the one more excellent VFX shot in the film was when they're going to meet Yaskin and that thing is picking them up. That was so well done, dude. That was fucking give me chills and all. Let's go, guys! Woo! Game time!
Yeah!
Let's get
Let's
started.
do this.
You guys are fighting for something.
Arre baap re.
You're fighting to become.
Badshah or Begum.
Yeah, you got it. But there's more than that.
Oh, really? Is that a certificate?
Yeah, now we are Badshah.
There are. Sorry, that's a big
Posters?
amount. There are
Fuck, there are prizes and all
Posters.
shit, man.
that you get to win.
Oh, मेरे को लगा picture का poster.
I literally just got it printed. You can tell the sticker also wasn't out yet. So I haven't had time to make a cutout, but you get
Nice.
it. This is what you
Cool.
get to become. Okay?
Nice.
If you win and this episode, okay, you become the biggest Bollywood.
Prize money?
Prize money is you can pay me for
Will I
this.
get allowance to? Will I get cab allowance to go back home?
Will you get cabs to go back home?
Cab allowance.
Cab
Cabs
allowance.
also works.
Yeah, I'll allow the cab to take you home. It's all good.
Again, one of us is a comedian.
Yeah. All right. Let's go, guys.
Yes.
You guys are fighting to become the biggest Bollywood Badshah, biggest Bollywood
Yes.
Begum. What this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood, should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again. Also, the audience is playing along. And every time
Yeah, I
the
was
audience
wondering.
gets some answers right, they get a few, just
Can I just say that's a better prize than a stupid
poster.
cardboard, Why are you throwing it at them?
you know, like how rock stars throw melodies.
Right. You are not a rock star.
But he's throwing melodies.
You get it. So every time the audience gets an answer right,
You
you just
throw
they are
it.
showered.
like
with
hungry
melodies.
kids, you will throw things at them. Like,
Do
catch
you guys want?
this.
Do you guys want?
When we answer
When
correctly.
we answer
yeah.
correct. That's the winning spirit. Nice. All right, let's go.
Yes.
We are going to start with the games now, guys. The first game you guys will be playing is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. How this works is I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film, and you guys have to tell me what that movie is by asking it as a question.
Okay.
Like, is this Bagban? Is this Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke? Or whatever you want it to be. All right? Here's how it goes.
एक सेकंड, मेरे क्वेश्चन वहीं आएगा
Question यही आएगा.
भाई.
हमको उधर देखना है.
नहीं व्यू ब्लॉक हो रहा है.
You're calling me fat.
I'm calling you right in front of me.
तेरे को you can't actually can't see it.
Let you see it, man. हाँ.
Yeah. You
ठीक है.
find a way to see it.
Yeah.
Don't don't come up with these explanations.
Okay.
That's a first, by the way. Guys, मेरे दिख नहीं रहा है. मुझे hot हो रहा है, Big Boss. All right. Game on Bollywood Jeopardy. Here we
So
go.
what like you start with me or him?
How this
Buzzer
works
round,
is
no?
this is a buzzer round. Thank you,
Okay.
Abbas. This is a buzzer
You're
round. You have to
welcome.
buzz in with a unique sound that you make with the mouth each time. A unique mouth sound, if you were. And let's see what your buzzer will be. Wow, innovative.
My
No,
buzzer
clearly
sound.
not as innovative as my show. But good.
Papa.
Papa, and
Eh.
want to change it? Change it?
Oh.
No, keep it. And then keep it.
Okay.
All right. And how this will work for the audience is the first round is you guys. If you don't get it, I'll give you a hint. If you still don't get it, the audience then gets to play.
Got it.
And even despite that being the way the audience gets involved, even then they have ended up beating multiple contestants before this. Can you imagine that? What a world we're living in, guys. Let's go. The first one. Buzzers at the ready, good people. Dash lies to his girlfriend Dash that he is in an unhappy marriage. However, when he actually falls in love with her,
Papa.
okay, wait. However, when he actually falls in love with her, she requests him to meet his estranged wife, putting him in a predicament.
Is this मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
It is absolutely मैंने प्यार क्यों किया. Full 5 points for Snehal Aneja. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Next one. Directed by David Dhawan in the year 2005. Go to the next one. Buzzers at the ready again. Dash is an orphaned and lonely young man. He soon learns that he belongs to a family of ancestral warriors.
Papa.
Okay, you will go first, but wait. Ancestral warriors who guard a mystic source of cosmic energy, and he must now take up his responsibilities.
What is Brahmastra?
No, not Brahmastra.
It's not Brahmastra.
Nope.
Oh. Ha. Now I can take my time.
You can't take your time. Okay, audience is also a little bit of a struggle, is it? You guys have an idea? Okay, we'll get to it. Anything at all?
Is this Kalki?
It is not Kalki. I will give you a hint. Okay. The hint is in this film, the female lead is. Let me just double check.
Very well researched show, as you can see.
It happens, man.
Yes.
It happens. Yeah, correct.
Oh,
The female,
often a lonely
the
young
female lead. I will tell you, the female lead
Yeah.
in this movie is Priyanka Chopra.
Papa.
Yes.
What is Drona?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Have you guys gotten it? Okay, cool. Very
Janvi
cool.
is wondering what the fuck is Drona.
पता है अभिषेक बच्चन बिना guess कर पाता.
Yeah. Priyanka has erased it from her memory also. 2.5 for Abbas there after the hint. Very cool. Let's go to the next one.
The
This-
description makes it sound like a very cool movie, which
I
Drona
swear.
It
is
does,
not.
right? Cosmic energy.
But वैसे देखा जाए तो ब्रह्मास्त्र का भी सेम हो सकता है.
Yeah.
But he's not orphaned and lonely. He was just lonely.
Just orphaned.
And orphaned
just
also.
orphaned.
Yeah.
Lonely तो वो दूसरे scene में
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So these are our new best lights. All right. Go to the next one. Sorry, were you asking something on me?
No.
Okay. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready. By the way, Drona. directed by Goldberg. On IMDb, it's 2 out of 10 and 11% Rotten Tomatoes. I normally don't mention this, but this was too funny to not mention. You know, this is 2 out of 10.
Abhishek is not coming on the
Yeah.
show.
This is the kind of movies Abbas likes.
You see, Abhishek Bachchan is my co-star, so I have to like,
So you've seen every picture that Abhishek Bachchan has been in?
भाई
Abhishek Bachchan sucks because he's definitely watching this now. I don't
Yeah.
It's not. He does it. He's great. I feel like Abhishek Bachchan. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready.
Yes.
Dash, a devout Hindu, is against his daughter Dash's relationship with a Christian Dash. With Dash, a Christian, sorry. Resultantly, Dash asks his conniving cousin Dash to help him unite with his lover. Dash, a devout Hindu, is against his daughter Dash's relationship with Dash, a Christian. Resultantly, Dash asks his conniving cousin Dash to help him unite with his lover.
Papa,
Yes.
what is तेरे मेरे सपने?
No.
भाई कनाइविंग का होता है
Conniving is like मतलब जैसे शाकू नहीं होता था conniving.
fair
ऐसा.
This is just like a normal relationship in New India. Like a
yeah dude. like I could say Sonakshi
Hindu
Sinha, it
dad
would
is
be
not
true.
happy with his daughter's relationship with a Christian. Like, can I get my cousin to
Oh, shit,
make
dude.
her turn?
Shit, Abbas, I didn't know you were Christian.
I am never mind. Dash.
Yeah.
Okay, can I ask this? The Dash, a devout Hindu, is the first Dash like the lead of the film?
पापा
Yes,
होगा ना
first
Oh.
dash is no. The first dash is the dad of the daughter.
Okay.
और उसकी बेटी जो है वो हिंदू है
हाँ समझ गया.
बट उसका जो रिलेशनशिप है वो क्रिश्चियन है
This sounds like a
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा बायोपिक
Anything?
Shatrughan Sinha, a devout Hindu.
Wow.
This sounds like a description is
Have I ever
very.
told you guys that I'm sure I have. Sonakshi Sinha is a family friend.
I think you might have mentioned.
don't
it,
send
yeah.
this to
Yeah, definitely not. But Shatrughan Sinha was very good friends with my dad when I was a little wee kid. And Sonakshi Sinha used to come over and play with my brothers like, G.I. Joes and shit, dude. What a world. Anyway,
You
go
should
ahead.
have warned her. Anyway,
Yeah.
You want to take a dig?
भाई कोई सीन ही नहीं समझ ही नहीं आ रहा एक सेकेंड इज दिस इश्क
No, it's not. Anything?
course not.
You already
वो तो
guessed,
पहले
right?
ही
I already
You
guessed, yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. The
Yeah.
hint is, in this film, there is... let's go with Shreyas Talpade. Shreyas Talpade is in this film.
What a bogus.
क्या ही
What
hint दिया
a
है.
fuck all
वाह.
hint you've given us.
अगेन इसको तलपड़े को ही नहीं पता होगी ये फिल्म
Like very few films which
Also
are like,
in this film, Koina Mitra.
Wow, again.
इज दिस अपना सपना मनी मनी
Really?
Quite a hint I gave you.
This is
कोई
the-
ना तरह से पहचाना
Quite a hint. So I'm going to give you only 2 instead of 2.5 because that was an extra hint I gave you, right?
अरे यार वो आपकी विम्स एंड फैंसीज से दिया था आपने मैंने थोड़ी मांगा था
But there is no mention of money in this plot synopsis.
बिकॉज दैट्स
Also,
नॉट
there's
इम्पोर्टेंट
no-
लव इज इम्पोर्टेंट
Yeah, there's no mention of Sapna,
Sapna,
also.
that's true, yeah.
What are you going to do? Chal Sunil, तेरा मना 2.5 दे दे.
थैंक्स
Chalo, next one. We'll do a couple more in this game, then move on to the next game. More bears. Avatar Monument 2006, directed by Sangeet Sivan.
Sangeet Sivan.
Rahul looks after his spoilt nephews Dash and niece Dash. When they go to a fun fair, they meet Dash, who has run away from home and decide to shelter her without Rahul's
ओ
consent.
फक मैं कल ही इसके बारे में बात कर रहा था शिट ओ शिट बिच फक शिट
Anything quick? Anything?
No, I'm thinking.
मुझे मैं पूरी कास्ट बता सकता हूँ आपको इस पिक्चर की बट मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा शिट
Yeah. Man, I just realized I'll have to beep in the last 10 seconds like 50 times because that's what's real.
When they go to a fun fair, who
Arey
even goes to a
yaar,
fun fair? They meet Dash, who has run away from home.
Anything at all.
फक ब्रो मैं लिटरली कल मम्मी से
I think they
discuss कर रहा
also
था इस
know.
film के बारे
Okay,
में।
you guys are ready, is it? Okay, wait.
रुक जाओ मैं गैस तो लूंगा इसका पक्का
Okay, जल्दी ले भाई because they are ready. We shouldn't. It's not fair.
तो बट हमें हिंट भी तो दोगे ना पहले बस
मतलब वैसे तो हाँ, but hint I'll give you. This one will be like a very throwaway.
Papa,
Yes?
what is Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke?
It is
मुझे बस नाम ही नहीं याद आ रहा था यार फक
Wow. You know, my hint would have been, it's a movie I've already mentioned earlier in the episode. Like,
You have?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mentioned
okay.
it in the very beginning, is it Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke or whatever. And then immediately I was saying it, I realized, oh, fuck, it's in the episode today. I can't just do that.
That was the one you were thinking of? Oh.
Yeah.
जूही चावला को लेकर आते हैं ना वो घर
Correct. Gay.
This guy, Udit Narayan's son was also in that movie, right?
Yeah,
Aditya
yeah.
Narayan.
One of the kids.
Yeah.
Was it him?
Yeah,
No, it was
He's one
Kunal
of the kids.
Khemo. Kunal Khimmo was in the movie. Yeah.
मतलब one of the kids.
Oh,
One
is
of the child actors yes, of the 90s.
Oh wow.
Oh, you've not seen the movie?
Did any of you here see Ishq Wishq 2?
No, I wanted to watch it.
Why did you want to watch it?
I was around.
Oh, okay. I get it.
मतलब मेरी बहन ने बोला मुझे देखनी है, मैंने उसे झूठ बोला कि आसपास के सिनेमा में ही नहीं ले.
Oh, she doesn't have internet. What is this, dude? Wow. Okay, cool. That was yes, हमें राही प्यार के. Very cool.
Why do you have feet? Just
Bare.
random.
It was bare feet.
Okay.
He's funny.
Get with the vibe, bro. Get with the vibe.
Oh,
Directed
it's
by Mahesh
directed
Bhatt.
by Mahesh Bhatt. I did not know that.
Who knew? The next one, and probably the last one, or maybe let's see how quickly we get this, because then
Okay.
we might be able to do one more also. Dash, a terrorist, plans to wreak havoc in Canada when the Indian Prime Minister visits the nation. However, a team of special agents from India are sent to catch the terrorist. Yes.
Is this Badshah?
Nope.
कनाडा में कहाँ जा रहा है यार बच्चा गोवा जाते हैं
गोवा जाते हैं bro. बच्ची को बचा रहा है.
Indian Prime Minister visits the nation.
Dash, a terrorist, plans to wreak havoc.
This just sounds like Indian foreign policy with Canada right now. Like it doesn't even like.
Dash, a terrorist, plans to wreak havoc in Canada when the Indian Prime Minister visits the nation. However, a team of special agents from India are sent to catch the terrorists. Yes.
Papa,
Yes.
is this Bade Miyan Chote Miyan?
It is not Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. Okay, I will tell you. In this movie is Abhishek Bachchan.
Again. Papa.
Yes.
What is thus?
Wow, bro.
Fuck ये 10 है. मैंने देखी ही नहीं है. सिर्फ
So-
गाना
मैंने भी नहीं
सुना
देखी है, मैंने
The
guess
first dash
मारा.
is Jamwal.
Oh.
Yeah, that's Pankaj Kapoor's character name. Very cool, man. Abbas, that was 2.5
Thank
again.
you, thank you, yeah.
Today might just be the day.
Very cool, very cool. Okay, we'll do one quick last one in this game.
Okay.
All right, are we good? Let's go.
Okay.
Best lights, you get it. At first glance, it looks like he's wearing a shirt, right? And then you realize that's not really a shirt.
I'm more intrigued by the bow, the shirtless bow. There's a bow, but no shirt.
Why is the bow there, dude? Why is there a bow? That is so true. Okay.
Yeah, it's Sonam Kapoor's dad, ladies and gentlemen.
That is Sonam Kapoor's dad. Good lord. All right, next one. This is thus directed by Anubhav Sinha.
Sinha
The last
wow,
one
okay.
in this game we will play is as follows. Keep your buzzers ready. Anu and Sidhu are in love, and Sidhu turns up when Anu's family camps in a tiger sanctuary for a holiday. Unexpectedly, a sandalwood smuggler takes several members as hostages.
तुम कुछ भी पिक्चरें डाले हो भाई इस बारे. अनु एंड सिद्धू are in love.
See, the thing is, I know you guys are good at this, so I have to make it थोड़ा difficult.
कुछ भी डाल दोगे.
Man, this is a great
टाइगर
move.
से काल आ रहा है माइंड में टाइगर सेंचुरी देख के.
Yeah, that can be your guess if you want.
नहीं.
This is a Hindi movie.
Yeah. Anu and Sidhu will be where, bro?
पता
Anu
है.
and Sidhu are in love.
Sandalwood smuggler is also like.
पुष्पा.
हाँ, तो India ही है, bro. Sandalwood
That's what,
smuggling
yeah.
happens in India only.
I know.
I don't think it happens anywhere else. Or maybe I'm wrong. What do I know? Anu and Sidhu are in love, and Sidhu turns up when Anu's family camps in a tiger sanctuary for a holiday. Unexpectedly, a sandalwood smuggler takes several members as hostages.
I feel like if you read this, it sounds like it's a comedy, but it's not. It's actually like a hostage drama kind of.
It is. You're absolutely right.
ये हॉस्टेज ड्रामा है.
In a sense, yes. Like it's definitely not comedy.
Okay.
Anu and Sidhu. You want to take a shot?
भाई.
Or should we go for a hint?
हिंट ही ले लेते हैं.
Do you guys have any idea?
उसको BFSI नहीं पता उसको ये तो कहाँ से पता? वो तो रोज करती है.
Can we have a hint?
Yes, I will tell you who plays the sandalwood smuggler. I will tell you who that is. Makran Deshpande.
What?
Oh,
Plays Sandalwood smuggler.
Papa. Is this what is Dod?
No, bro. Shit. You didn't get that, man. Anything?
कोई आइडिया नहीं.
Guys, audience. Anything?
This documentary is also part of this.
No, they're not. But what is this documentary, dude?
Virappan, I don't know, Sandalwood only.
That is the character of Makran Deshpande is inspired from
Virappan. Yeah.
So you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Does nobody know this film?
Can we have a second hint?
Okay, you can have a second hint. It's directed by Ram Gopal Verma.
And it's not Dod.
No,
Is it Khan?
no, bro, it's not Kal either. But this is, if you guys get it now, you get this 1 point.
It's
Anything at all?
RGV.
RGV. Also in this film is Urmila Matondkar.
Surprise.
No.
So it's from the 90s.
You guys got it? What do you say? Sorry?
डालना वाला है.
नहीं यार, sorry. कुछ भी नहीं, nothing. You guys aren't getting it.
Everything ticks door. Ram Gopal Verma, Urmila
okay.
Matondkar, Jungle.
It's not. Jungle.
It's jungle.
Yes,
jungle.
it's
What is
jungle.
jungle? What is jungle?
Snail gets it.
Is it
Snail gets
jungle?
it. Snail gets it.
What? I said jungle.
You said jungle.
Half point for both of us. Come on.
You did not ask me the question, and he remembered too. So in all honesty, you should get it. It's just what it is.
Keep
Look,
guessing.
I
But one
totally
point, that's
forgot
one
he
point.
made a movie called Jungle.
वो आपके बोलते ही मुझे भी स्ट्राइक किया.
Yeah.
नहीं तो
My next-
दूर दूर तक
My
नहीं आता
next
माइंड
hint would have
में.
been
Note to self. Think.
yeah.
Don't voice
My
out your.
next, my next hint would have been two people in love get lost in a
Oh
forest.
fuck yeah, that
दो
movie.
प्यार करने
Fardeen Khan was in this movie,
जंगल
right?
में
Shit.
हो गए.
Wow.
You know,
Blast from the
I
past.
saw it like way early. Which year did this come out in?
90,
Um,
2000. Oh my god. Warning.
Hey, this time he doesn't have a bow, but he has a newspaper.
Now he's reading a newspaper.
He's best like
Just
that.
take him off the screen, okay? Like,
I think this should be the remainder of the episode.
we've
should be
got
just
3 people you don't want
discussing
them to
about
leave,
this.
okay? Just
आपने
next.
कंसेंट ही नहीं लिया किसी का.
You think the newspaper had a problem with this?
Yes, big time.
All right, cool. Oh, there's Filmfare magazine.
There's fruits and a drink over.
And a Filmfare magazine over under that.
Yeah.
And grapes.
I think the idea was to strategically place the drink glass
Hey,
there,
at his
but
crotch.
then, but
It was
then
too hairy.
it wouldn't have covered much. So then they were like, "Hey, paper law aaj ka."
Okay. That was pretty cool. That was Jungle, directed by
Yeah,
Ram Gopal
2000.
Verma. 2000. As a kid, when I saw it, dude, I enjoyed it quite a lot. I actually found Veerappan, whatever, Makarand Deshpande's character could be quite intimidating even. Yeah, very fun movie. Has anyone here seen it? Nobody's seen it?
I also saw it like long ago when it came out.
Okay, cool. Fair enough.
How old were you when this came out?
3 years.
All right, cool. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. Guys,
I'm
we
in the lead,
stand-
obviously.
Okay.
Wow, surprise, dude. Fuck.
Where we stand at the end of game 1 is the audience is at 0. That's fine. You guys have no chance to play. It happens.
But they're winners anyway.
Yeah, of course. They are attending the show for fun. Snail is at 8.5. Very close to Abbas was in lead at 10 points. So very cool, very cool. That brings us to the end of game 1. Abbas is at 10 points. That would have been the next one. That would have been the next one. Just
मतलब
a
उसने
close-up
वही
of that.
स्लाइड जूम कर दिया.
Yeah, yeah.
कि अगर
It's
आप
on
दूर
purpose.
से मिस कर दिया
It's
हो
by
आपने.
design. It's by
अब आप
design.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो.
I feel
Yes, yes.
scared to look at the screen now. Like, no matter.
Why? What will happen? It'll jump out.
Anil
अगर वो
Kapoor's
बाहर आ गया
crotch.
तो
Yeah. देखो मत नजर लग जाएगी like that kind of shit. All right. The next game
कुत्ते?
is a new
आसमान
game.
भरद्वाज? जो नेक्स्ट जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा मैं कुत्ते गेस
ओ अब आप डायलॉग बोलोगे किसने बोला था और आपको गेस करना कौन सा डायलॉग है और किसने
Let me
बोला था?
explain. No, sorry. Let me explain. No. What is this? Next game is a new game that you guys have not played before. It's called Whose Line Was It Anyway?
because you don't want them to sue us. Yeah.
I mean, अब मैं ले रहा हूँ सबसे लूँगा ना यार. It's all good. No, it's just like homage to one of my
Of
favorite
course.
shows of all time.
Yes.
Whose Line Was It Anyway? Whose Line Was It Anyway? It's one of the games. How this works is I will read a piece of dialogue and then give you 4 options as to who said that dialogue and in which film. You guys have to tell me the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay? Both of you will get a chance, and the audience will also get a chance. So it's 1-1-1.
Got it.
Hint, whatever, like guess types. Let's go. The first one is as follows.
बजर है क्या?
No, I said everyone will get a chance to answer. Okay? So the first one can start with Abbas and then go on to Snail and then go on to the audience. The second one can start with Snail, then Abbas and then go to the audience. And so on and so forth. First one is as follows. मैं लड़कियों के पीछे नहीं भागता, लड़कियां मेरे पीछे भागती हैं.
मुझे पता है ये, मुझे पता है.
Okay, but wait.
मेरा turn है यार.
अच्छा
You want to help him?
Sorry.
You want to help him?
Kiss Snail.
Yeah.
हाँ sorry
Yeah.
यार
Yeah.
अब्बास.
मैं लड़कियों के पीछे नहीं भागता, लड़कियां मेरे पीछे भागती हैं. Is it A. उपेन पटेल in 36 Chinatown, B. अक्षय कुमार in मुझसे शादी करोगी, C. शाहरुख खान in कुछ कुछ होता है, और D. सलमान खान in No Entry.
Is the
I can't help
will the difficulty level go on increasing as you ask?
Is this one very
because
simple?
This is very easy.
I mean, I thought I'd start easy, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
It's C. Shah Rukh Khan from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
All right, you say it's C.
It's C.
All right, you guys?
See.
Alright, ठीक है? Yeah, it is.
तो अब सबको पॉइंट मिलेगा.
Everyone gets 5. This is right, 5 in one row.
Yeah, but that's unfair. The
Why?
question, it was my turn.
So,
So I should get 5, right? Nobody else should get 5.
I mean, you're still
See,
winning.
single child.
Abbas.
Single child behavior.
See, it will happen. It will happen.
Sure,
You
yes.
will have no chance to
Got
pull in
it.
the lead.
Okay.
Okay, the next one can start with Snehil. It is as follows. रूप रंग में गोरी हो चाहे काली हो, खुश नसीब वो जीजा है जिसकी साली हो. Is it A, सलमान खान in हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा? A, सलमान खान in हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा?
Salmon boy.
B, सलमान खान in हम आपके हैं कौन? C, मोहनीश बैल in हम साथ साथ हैं? और D, गोविंदा in हीरो नंबर 1. रूप रंग में गोरी हो चाहे काली हो, खुश नसीब वो जीजा जिसकी साली हो. That sounds like someone is cheating with the sali, right? I swear that's an unintentionally funny dialogue. Anything?
मेरे माइंड में वही.
I have a fair idea, but it's your turn, so go ahead.
मुझे कोई फेयर भी नहीं है.
Did it get more difficult, guys? Huh?
How can you go from that to this?
I mean, it has to. I have to
कुछ
ease you guys
bridge
in.
तो
No,
करो.
I have to ease you guys in.
It's easy actually.
I mean, if you know it, you know it.
ठीक है. A, सलमान बॉय हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
Okay, A, Salman Khan in Har Dil Se
It's,
Pyar.
C. Monish Bell from हम साथ साथ हैं.
Okay, you're saying C, Monish Bell in Hum Saath Saath Hain, guys?
See.
You're saying C, Monish Bell in Hum Saath Saath Hain. What? The correct answer is both of you. All of you are wrong. The correct answer is Sallu Bhai and Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Really? Who knew that, guys? No, that got too difficult. Oh, you babies, you.
हाँ. एक सेकंड. हम साथ साथ हैं में इतना पावम कैरेक्टर है वो, ये लाइन क्यों बोलेगा वो?
हम आपके हैं कौन, bro?
नहीं मैं आप लोगों को कह
All
रहा
the
हूँ.
fucking jijas in
Oh, you
Surat
think you were right?
But I was not this wrong.
Oh, there is a scale as to how wrong you can be, is it?
ऐसे वो मस्ती मजाक में बोलते हैं ना अपनी सालियों को.
So see,
मेरे को लगा.
again, you guys will notice.
हाँ, C नहीं भाई, B.
You guys will now notice how this game ends up working. Is
Yeah.
there is a piece of dialogue,
Yeah.
and the 4 it could be from any of those 4 films because it applies
Yeah.
in those 4 films. So moving ahead to the next one is मुझे लड़ना नहीं था पर तूने कोई चॉइस नहीं छोड़ा. A, इमरान खान जाने तुझे जाने ना. B, सलमान खान in Wanted. C, अभिषेक बच्चन in Dhoom 2. और D, अनिल कपूर in Tashan. Abbas.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
It's Imran Khan from जाने तू ये जाने
All right,
ना.
Snehal.
A, इमरान खान from जाने तुझे.
You are right, yes. Maybe this should have been second question. All right, cool. That's correct, the answer. Imran Khan in Jana Tuhe Jana Na. All right, very
What was
cool.
that
You get
error?
5 points. So the previous one was only Abbas's. Right? No, nobody
No,
got.
no, nobody got
Zero,
that,
zero.
yeah.
So yeah, so this one everyone gets 5. All right. The next one and the last one, if I'm not wrong. is-
Imran Khan, by the way, on my podcast, you can go check it out. I spoke to him.
Yes. Yes. Very cool. Again, do check that episode out. It's a very fun episode. You guys talked about
जाने तू a little bit, yeah.
Jana to a little
But
bit,
not
but
this
which was
line.
the main movie you guys talked about?
क़यामत से क़यामत
Kayan
तक.
Se Kayan
Yeah,
Tak.
yeah.
Has it aged well? Please check it out on the IVM Pop YouTube channel. Next one, and the last one in this game is as follows. This one will start with
It's a
Snehal.
fun game. I like this round.
Thank you so much. That's a sexy name, and I must say that's a sexy frame.
अबे तुम मेरे बारे में
is
ऐसा
it-
काहे घुमा फिरा के लाइन ले आते हो?
Snehil Aneja.
I thought you would.
That
I
will
thought
be
this would be the
game
most
show.
relatable line to you, Snehal. Is it A, Vivek Oberoi in Masti, B, John Abraham in Desi Boys, C, Bobby Deol in Thank You, and D, Akshay Kumar in Hey Baby? That's a sexy name, and I must say that's a sexy frame. Snehal.
भाई
I don't know whose it is, but I want to hear Bobby say this
I
line.
swear, पता है मैं यही बोलने वाला था कि और एक सेकंड इससे अक्षय कुमार भी तो हो सकता है.
He was a mute in that movie.
But what if he said
Couldn't
that
say
one line only?
भाई वो इतना
And
funny था
he's
ना.
mute, rest of the movie just becomes unmuted
वो
for
इतना
one
funny
dialogue.
था where he's like मेरा भाई बोल नहीं सकता, हाँ तो मेरा भाई सुन नहीं सकता.
That was very stupid.
सिंपैथी मत ले.
Yeah. So does that mean they're at equal level? That's not a... हाँ, बोलना Snehal. Anything?
John Abraham Desi Boys.
All right, John Abraham and Desi Boys. Abbas?
I will also go with John Abraham.
John Abraham and Desi Boys also.
Yeah.
Guys?
अब मुझे सडनली लग रहा है अक्षय.
Guys?
I think Vivek.
Vivek.
Vivek Oberoi and Masti. Yeah, you guys are fine. The correct answer, all of you are wrong again, is Akshay Kumar and Hey Baby.
ढाई नंबर दोगे क्या?
किसको खुद के लिए? All right, cool. So you get it. Great new fun game. Thank you, Abbas, for that review. Write a column about it, why don't you? Well, that's where do we stand, Rohil, at the end?
So Abbas is leading with 20.
Whoa, 20 points. Always give the leader last. Just that's a quick note. I should have specified. It's my fault. It's completely my fault.
Next is Sahil with.
Snehil.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't say names.
Like,
No, I'm joking. You
like
can't say
the
names.
animal
But it's all-
which walks slowly.
18.5, very close. 20 and 18.5.
It's almost the same difference, no? Which was in the
Almost नहीं
last
उतना
round.
ही है. दोनों ने उतने ही जवाब दिए.
We are at 10.
We're at 10. Okay, very cool, guys. Very cool. Very cool. There we go.
What
you
did
guys
the
get it?
Oh, how you've said audience has won in the past, right?
Audience, like, so they've never won the episode entirely, but they have at least, I can remember in 3 different episodes, beat one of the people
Got it.
on the panel. Here we go with game number 3. Abbas is in the
Okay.
lead still, but only a 2.5 difference between you guys.
Yes. 18.5, bhai. Tu 18.5.
में से
हाँ,
साढ़े
Sorry,
चार
sorry.
निकाला.
Sorry, let's. Luckily, this is not a maths show. It's not a maths game show. Let's go. The next game is one of my favorites. It's called Versus Versus Like Babe.
Fuck.
Yeah.
It's the worst game.
This
Yeah.
is the worst. Like worst game was अच्छा है. We are very bad at the
You know,
game.
people are all over the board with this review, with this game. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
In a sense, some people are like, "You dude, this game needs to be a show in itself." Okay.
No.
Some people, exactly, some people fucking can never get an answer right, so they
Same,
hate it.
yeah.
They're like, "Dude,
That's
we
it.
understand the appeal of this game, but it's not for me." Okay,
It's
so that
gonna be
also
me.
happens. And so yeah, like there are a
वो
lot of
रखी है
people.
आपने सीन सॉन्ग डायलॉग.
नहीं, वो नहीं रखी इस बार.
यार उसी के भरोसे तो मैं आया था.
Oh, that's the only one you can win in. Isn't it? Okay. ठीक है, versus. How this works is very simple. I will read out as a piece of poetry the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. You guys have to buzz in with a unique mouth sound that you make with the mouth each time. And whoever buzzes in first gets to go first and tell me what the answer is, what the correct song is.
Yeah.
That's about it. Again, how the audience will get to go only after the hint round, which is the half singing all arounds. Let's go. Starting with this one. The last game started with the buzz. This one can start with Snehil.
Cool.
Buzzer
Okay.
नहीं.
Oh, actually, sorry. There's a buzzer.
So our buzzer sounds are the same.
If you want to
Pawpaw
change it, you
and-
can change it. You want to change
stick
it?
with Pawpaw.
You want to change yours? Thoda?
I guess.
No, keep it original. You
That just sounds wrong.
Change it again. Yeah. Okay. Buzzers at the ready. Good sirs. Let's go. The first song, ka second verse, ka lyrics are as follows. इश्क ये तेरा.
उधर नहीं आएगा.
नहीं.
So reading it makes it a lot easier.
That's true.
So that's why. All right. इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है, देखकर तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है. इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है, देखकर तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है. तेरा नशा जो छाया मुझको सुकून आया, मुझको सुकून आया आया रे. Anything. Buzz in. immediately.
उसने पोएट्री पढ़ी ना.
वाह 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 वाह. इरशाद अर्ज किया है. हाँ बोलो.
There's no negative marking, right?
Pen down.
Okay, Pawpaw.
Yes.
What is कैसा जादू डाला रे?
नहीं.
Hey, why am I asking question?
No.
कैसा जादू डाला
Yeah,
रे?
it's not. Yeah. कैसा जादू डाला रे.
Please read again.
Yeah, I can, no problem. इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है, देख कर तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है. इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है, देख कर तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है. तेरा नशा जो छाया मुझको सुकून आया, मुझको सुकून आया आया रे. You guys, anything? Are you guys ready? Okay, cool, very
Oh,
cool.
they know it.
भाई, anybody in the world will be better
This is
than
like
us.
the most generic second verse of a song. तुझको देख के
अब
चैन आया
आपको
रे.
पता लगे कि जावेद अख्तर ने लिखा है.
नहीं, जाओ नहीं लिखा है.
अब अभी आधा आधा गा लो.
Okay, so half for half. I'm gonna half sing the song for half the points that you'll get. So again, buzzer ready because this will make it immediately
Okay,
way
got
more
it.
simple, right? Yeah, you get it. Okay. इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है
मीका का गाना है.
देख तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है इश्क ये तेरा मुझे पल पल तड़पाता है
bro.
देख कर तुझको ही मुझको चैन आता है तेरा नशा जो छाया मुझको सुकून आया मुझको सुकून आया आया रे
Papa.
यस
हाँ, ये तो नहीं.
क्विक क्विक
कितने अरमा.
कितने अरमान मान मान
नाइस.
जागे तेरे वास्ते जैसे मुझको याद आता है तेरी यस एब्सोल्युटली राइट फिर हेरा फेरी दैट्स 2.5 पॉइंट्स फॉर अब्बास वेरी कूल वेल डन
ए अब्बास तुम जीत रहे हो मेरे से.
मीका का गाना नहीं पहचान रहे यार. पार्टी देना.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है मीका का गाना. अरे
ओके नेक्स्ट वन
But total points to you for commitment for doing it in Mika's voice. Otherwise,
Yeah,
I
dude.
wouldn't have gotten it. Yeah,
also
yeah.
fair
सेल्फ डाउट में
wait,
चला
I
गया.
Then she's like, I couldn't have done it any other way.
I thought this was Himesh
Oh, is it?
is it not Himesh yeah
Oh, it's Himesh.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I
Nasal.
tried to,
So
I tried to do Himesh's voice
It's not Mika. Okay, whatever.
okay it's all right it's all right
ओ हाँ हिमेश है कितने.
yeah सारे गाने सुन all right ready
movie
guys
is
let's
this
go
from?
फेरेरा फेरी.
हाँ.
फिर second song का lyrics are as follows मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही
फक.
मैं प्यासी थी निराशी तू पानी की सुराही मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही तुझे देखा तो खिला हूँ तेरी चाहत में घुला हूँ मिले मंदिर में खुदा जो मैं तो तुझ में यूँ मिला हूँ देन मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही
Papa.
यस
तुझ में रब दिखता है.
नो
They also know it, man. They have.
Yeah, they're laughing at you. बोल बोल
दोबारा बोलना प्लीज.
मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही मैं प्यासी थी निराशी तू पानी की सुराही मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही तुझे देखा तो खिला हूँ तेरी चाहत में घुला हूँ मिले मंदिर में खुदा जो मैं तो तुझ में यूँ मिला हूँ मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही मेरी आंखों की सियाही पिया देती हर गवाही
से रैप लग रहे हैं. तेरी आंखों की गवाही या देती मुझे सियाही.
Abbas, the way you sang it is surprisingly close.
Really?
What?
What the hell?
Yeah.
ये वो है क्या. हाँ 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 गुलाबी सी सुबह.
What is the song? Absolutely, yes. What is the song?
He hasn't buzzed yet.
See.
Fuck you.
I would have given him that. I would have given you that. But what is the song? You're absolutely right. What is the song?
गुलाबी सी
Come on, bro.
तेरी आंखों में
ए, इसका हाफ मेरे को भी मिलना चाहिए. मैंने धुन बताई इसको.
No. That's full 5 for sale. Very cool. Very well done.
हार्ट अटैक हो गया थोड़ा सा.
Very cool. Very cool. This is a classic song
अब आपको
Okay.
बताओगा.
from, if I'm not wrong, the 70s. Okay, I'll
Change
just check
कर
the
दो,
date.
change
I'll just- So again,
10 के नहीं आ रहे.
this you guys will definitely know the song.
If it's 70s, huh?
Oh, dude, we listen to these songs
Yeah,
all
yeah,
the
of
time,
course.
man, of course. Okay, so I'm just.
Let's see your acumen now, guys. Huh? 70s songs, yeah.
He was listening on them on loop.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is a 1966.
Oh, that
60.
changes
That
everything.
changes everything. Shit.
Okay, so classic song. It's a super hit song that we still listen to today.
Okay.
And a lot of us in this room, I imagine, are even fans of it. Okay.
A lot of us are not in this room only. So what?
I thought it was a full house with 300 people above.
300 people above.
What happened to your own lie?
Oh, I forgot. Yes.
Forgot to stick to your lies. All right. Next one, song number 3
Yeah.
in this game. Again, classic song, 60s का. Okay. ठहरिए तो सही कहिए क्या नाम है मेरी बदनामियों का वफा नाम है, ओ कत्ल करके चलें, नहीं I'll do that again. ओह कत्ल कर के चलें ये वफा खूब हैं, हाय नादान तेरी ये अदा खूब हैं, मैं भी हूँ गलियों की परछाई, कभी यहाँ कभी वहाँ, शाम ही से कुछ हो जाता है मेरा भी जादू जवां.
पापा
Yes.
ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली.
Yes, bro.
Nice,
So
nice,
good, man.
nice.
So fucking good. I'm fucking damn impressed, man. Fucking cool. Full 5 points for Abbas. Damn cool. How awesome, dude. That we
Nice,
still know the
very
song,
good,
right? It's
very
so
good, yes.
amazing, these songs. How this goes is ठहरिए तो सही कहिए क्या नाम है, मेरी बदनामियों का वफा नाम है, मैं भी हूँ गलियों की
This part is
बरसाई,
what
कभी
gave it
यहाँ
away,
कभी
yeah.
वहाँ,
मैं पहले वाले में सोच रहा
शाम
था.
ही से कुछ हो जाता है मेरा भी जादू जवां, ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जा.
All of us are singing in a different key.
अरे यार हाँ ठीक है सुनो ना.
Are we
okay.
professionals? Professionals only? What is this?
यार,
So again, the movie that the song is from is called Tisri
Tisri
Manzil.
Manzil, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
this movie has just epic songs.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, other songs, for instance, from this movie are "O Mere Sona Re Sona Re So."
So
Also,
this was,
Aja Aja.
This was R.D. Burman's breakout movie.
Is it really?
The movie which made R.D. Burman
fucking
a
so
household
good.
name. Yeah.
And one of my favorites also from this movie is तुमने मुझे देखा.
I think we've lost the audience.
Not at all, man. They have never been more in. yeah. Role is
Let's
like,
go
I
back
got
to-
my questions for the next game show that I host.
Let's go back to Anil Kapoor's crotch.
All right. Cool. Let's see this one. This is again very popular. Let's see if you guys get it.
Okay.
This is not like
Classic.
that old, but it's oldish, but not that old. Okay. Because see, I'm laughing because the lyrics start with do 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 do. Okay. डूबा दरिया में खड़ा मैं साहिल पर हो.
Oh fuck.
Come on, if you get it, dude, I'll be
Every song for
crazy.
Snehal is oh fuck.
यार मैंने
Oh,
सुने
fuck.
सारे होते हैं.
Bro, if you get it here, I'll give you 6 points, not even 5, because it'll be so impressive if you get it here. Do 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 do.
Dude.
डूबा दरिया में खड़ा मैं साहिल पर. Come on, bro.
Come on, Snehal.
Okay, fuck it. No, back to 5 then. Also, now you can't answer.
अरे
No, see, you can't answer till the hint point because you buzzed in and you couldn't
अच्छा,
get it.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
Okay,
ठीक
so you have to wait till the hints. Abbas has free reign right now. Okay? do 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 do. डूबा दरिया में खड़ा मैं साहिल पर हो. डूबा दरिया में खड़ा मैं साहिल पर, तू बिजली बनकर गिरी मेरे दिल पर. चली ऐसी ये पागल पवन, मैं क्या करूं.
मुझे आता है यार ये गाना.
You can't. You
भाई,
can't.
मुझे आते
No,
पे-
but you can't. But you can't. But you can't. Abbas, anything?
Wait a minute. I'm
You
thinking.
guys are ready?
मुझे आ गया.
Okay, you know this one. I won't even. The audience hasn't played in a
It's
while,
okay.
so
Yeah, you can
I'll
give
just.
it. You
but
can give it
you
to
have
them.
anything?
No.
Okay.
नहीं एक सेकंड मेरे क्यों?
Let me.
तेरा हो गया turn, मेरा हो
See,
गया turn. अब उनकी
they
बारी.
haven't played in a while. Let's just throw them one. No, why not,
It's okay, Snehal.
guys?
बरसा
Yeah. चली ऐसी ये पागल पवन.
I said let's go back to Anil Kapoor's crotch. You went to Ravina Tandon's crotch. What is this?
Yeah, but I got a bear Akshay Kumar.
6 मिल जाते हैं ना इस पे.
इस पे अगर वहाँ पे आ
भी
जाता
नहीं
तो
मिला.
6 मिल जाता.
Audience को
Okay, guys, we'll do 2 more in this. 2 more amazing songs in this. इसके one more game after this. Yes, we are making good time. Making good time. Buzzers at the ready. You guys gave yourselves 5 points, right? Okay, cool. Buzzers at the ready. बादल बंके कौन आ गया, कौन है जो दिल पे यूं छा गया. चाहूं कि बताऊं मैं, फिर भी कहना पाऊं मैं, नाम उसका है क्या. Yes.
नाम उसका है क्या, नाम तो दो.
जल्दी जल्दी बोल.
अरे इस पिक्चर
जल्दी
का नाम है यार इस गाने
कुछ होता
पे.
है.
या पर गाना.
पर गाना कौन सा है?
हाँ नाम तो लो
भाई इस पे पिक्चर बनी है इस गाने के नाम पे, जो हमने बहुत मजाक उड़ाया है जिसका. Come on, Snehal.
Bro.
Can I go? Paw, paw.
Yeah, go ahead. Bro, see,
what the
you can't take this long.
बट मैं गाना तो गा रहा हूँ साथ में.
But see, I know you're getting it, but if he gets the answer right before that, because he's ready.
10 सेकंड का
10
साइलेंस.
seconds is too long.
5 सेकंड का
Dude,
साइलेंस.
you already took 5 seconds of silence.
Paw. कोई मिल गया.
Okay. Abbas gets 5.
Thanks, Snehal.
Bro, you gotta be. See, it's only fair if you are quick about it. You can't pause and then start thinking. You know, not every time.
not thinking, I was singing.
That's thinking only, bro. Because you're trying to get to the answer. No.
और क्या भाई, वही तो करना है, और क्या करना है, गाना गाते हुए आंसर
It's
तक
okay,
आना
dude.
है.
It's okay.
But then
It's a
you
game.
were clearly you didn't remember the answer, so you're waiting for it. Okay, and the last one in this game is
Because
again a
तुम्हारे
very
को
good
मार
song.
देगा.
So let's see the last one. You guys are
Okay.
getting it, man. You guys are
Yeah,
getting
yeah,
it. Okay. Okay. हो प्यार जैसे है पूरा पश्चिम, प्यार है उत्तर दक्षिण.
Paw.
Yes. Wow, if he gets it. Abbas, again, I'll give you 6 points because I was going to do the same for Snehal.
मेहरबान ना कभी किसी से ना प्यार
What is the song?
करना.
What is the song? Quick. Snehal.
Hey, Kesara.
केसरा.
Okay, Abbas got it. Abbas got it.
6 points?
Abbas got it. 6 points. Yes. That's impressive, man. कभी किसी से
I am surprising myself
प्यार
right now. I
करना.
don't know. Chocolate?
Let's see where we stand at the end of game 3.
So,
Oh, it's done? Oh.
so audience is at 15.
Audience is at 15. Very cool. All right.
Snehal.
Yeah. He's shaking. He's like,
Snehal is at 23.5.
Snail is at 23.5. All right.
Bas is leading by 38.5.
do we even
38.5,
need to
wow.
play the next round?
The next one is called Bolly Jasoos. Bollywood Jasoos. How this works? Yes, that's a bear slide. Yes.
Bear showing his ass.
Correct.
A bare ass.
All right, there we go. The next game is called Bolly Jasoos. How this works is there's a movie in my head, and you guys have a combined
Oh.
11 questions to determine what the movie is.
This is the most like narcissistic game round
Why?
that you have, because we just have to guess the movie in your head. Anyway, explain the game.
It is.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But I say in my head, but it's written down, and I can't change it.
Sure.
You know. So the following are the categories from which you have to choose the movies in. Both of you can decide. You guys are a team till you answer.
Wait, just explain the rules again.
So you have 11 questions to determine the movie in the category that you guys will decide that you
Okay.
want to guess the movie in. All right. These are a combined 11 questions. The both of you combined have a total of 11 questions that you
Got
can
it.
this thing. So it's recommended that you guys strategize together and then ask the question. But whoever finally gets the answer takes in all the remaining points that you can get. I say remaining because every more question that you ask me minuses 1 point that you can win in this game. If it was 10 on the first question, it will be minus
Got it.
1, so 9 on the second question, and so on and so forth. Again, so you get a team till you answer, is what I mean by that. The audience will start getting involved after the 5th question. Okay, because again, this is keeping in mind that someday, hopefully, there are actually 300 people in the audience. And those 300 people will very easily know
Yeah.
what the movie is quite often. 300 log mein to, ho hi jayega. Okay, let's go. There's no buzzers needed, but you guys are encouraged to discuss. These are the categories. Tell me which category you want to go with. Zao Dena Sahib, these are movies with cops or cop movies. Ye kahan aa gaye hum? Travel or road films. Movies with stand-up comedians. Movies that feature an Indian stand-up comedian or more than one stand-up comedian in them. And Are Tu Phir Se? Movies with double roles. Cheaters Never Prosper. Movies that have infidelity or cheating in them. Which category do you guys want to?
Chalo.
ये कहाँ आ गए हम?
Yeah.
All right. So I will tell you before you guys start some base so you guys understand what kind of movie you're thinking of. ये कहाँ आ गए हम? This movie released in the 2010s. That is between 2010 and 2020. Okay. It's a travel film, road film also you can call it. It's a travel film. In the 2010s, it is rated 8.1 on IMDb. So you know the caliber of film you're thinking of. All right. I'm ready with the questions whenever you guys are. So again, you know, travel film, 8.1 on IMDb, 2010s. Okay, so you see,
2010s रोड मूवी अंतरिक्ष का गो टू एक मूवी है जिसके लिए वो जिस which he goes for.
बोल
क्वेश्चन करके देख लो.
बोला.
Oh, you have to ask it as a question.
You'll ask us a question. It's a question.
पहले एक्टर पूछ लो.
So if I ask if we don't get it on the first question is not a guess, then
Every question that you ask me is a guess. Even the guess, if it's wrong,
if the
is a
first question is wrong, then what's the points?
So see, if you're making a guess, but if it's a wrong guess,
So
I'll
there's
take
no
it as a
negative
question.
mark for the first question, right?
Yeah, no, you get absolutely minus points for everything. So see, the first one is at 10 points. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
The first question,
हाँ, समझ
पहला
गया.
गेस उसने बता दिया तो वो
11 points नहीं है भाई, 11 questions हैं,
11
10 points
questions,
are there. Because the first question, yes, you're right, does not minus any points. Yes.
Actor, हाँ. Does this film star Amitabh Bachchan?
No.
Oh, तो फिर वो नहीं
Oh,
है.
go-to film, huh? What is this go-to film that Antriksh has?
गेस में मारो.
हाँ, मारो.
इज दिस जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
It is not. That's 2 done.
2010s.
ये जो
8.1 on IMDb, right?
8.1 IMDb.
I think 2015 या 16.
पर ये जवानी दीवानी 8.1 तो नहीं है वो.
हो भी सकती है इम्तियाज अली के फैंस.
ये जवानी दीवानी इम्तियाज की नहीं है.
ओ हाँ, इसकी है, अयान मुखर्जी की है.
I also get confused between
I know.
these
Tamasha,
so
Ye
similar in
Jawani Hai
vibes.
Diwani,
You know, Wake Up
Diwani.
Sid.
एक सेकंड बाय ट्रैवल मूवी आई होप यू डोंट मीन ट्रैवल मूवी मतलब कि अगर मूवी के किसी एक सीन में वो डेस्टिनेशन में जा रहा है तो वो ट्रैवल मूवी हो गया. द मूवी इज बेस्ड ऑन लाइक अ ट्रैवल राइट. मतलब ये
So-
क्वेश्चन काउंट नहीं होगा ये
No,
क्लैरिटी
no.
है.
So this is a question. Okay, I will take another question, but I will give you a more elaborate answer because it's not exactly a yes or no answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a more elaborate answer. Traveling is a part of the film, and the person is there, and that's the rest of the film. The person being there and exploring.
Could it be the other Zoya Akhtar travel film?
जोया अख्तर ने वो
दिल धड़कने दो.
नहीं वो नहीं हो सकती
क्यों?
भाई 8.1.
How many questions are we down?
You are done with 2 questions, or actually 3 because I was the third one. But yeah, 3 questions. Thanks for reminding us.
Travel movie 2010s 8.1 on IMDb.
कितनी बार पूछेगा दोस्त? हाँ 8.1 IMDb.
रणवीर सिंह का पूछ लो अगर रणवीर सिंह हुआ तो लड़ने दो गेस कर लेंगे.
रोड मूवी.
अम्ब्रेला क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं कि शाहरुख है मतलब एज इन वन ऑफ द खान है कि नहीं है यार.
2010s में which Khan can you think of?
Just talk into the mic, no, guys. Whenever you're talking, because you're talking in.
2010s. I don't think the Khans did a road movie.
बट ही इज नॉट सेइंग ना कि वो रोड मूवी है. ही इज सेइंग कि ट्रैवल है एंड द
It's a
पर्सन इज देयर.
It's a travel film. It will still be counted as a travel film, and you will agree once you hear what the name is.
ऑल द नेम्स मतलब ज़्यादा है.
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ दिल धड़कने दो.
लेना है गेस ले लूँ. रणवीर सिंह पूछ लो.
Does the film star Ranveer Singh?
No. That's 4
No.
questions done. No. It's 4 questions done. One more, and the audience will also start. Will be able to.
One
So
थोड़ी,
you,
दो
you guys can
ना.
discuss with the audience also.
8.1 on IMDb. Road movie.
Abbas, think travel film, not road movie.
Oh, हाँ, same thing. Travel film.
We can discuss.
What are
No,
the
after
most
5, after
famous
question
travel
5.
films, Hindi films you can think of? जिंदगी ना मिलेगी हो गया. जब we met is not 2010s.
एंड इट्स नॉट.
It is, right? They travel in the first half.
Guys, I
They
should
are
say
traveling.
you guys have 5 minutes to ask these
Really?
11 questions, but it's fine. You guys still have a good 2.5 minutes.
Ask something, whatever's coming in your mind.
द पर्सन इज देयर.
And it involves travel.
Anything quickly, guys?
एक सेकंड. इज इट क्वीन?
Yes, it's Queen. He got it, motherfucker, dude. Wow, dude. So that was 4. That's 7 points for Snehal right there. Very cool, bro.
How did you think of Queen? Person is there.
Because Kangana is there and she's exploring.
Yeah, so you get it. You get why I said what I said, and it's a travel film, and it applies. All right, very cool, Snail. We'll do one more for sure. Maybe if we have time, maybe two more. But let's see. Go back to this thing. Choose another category, folks. You guys gave Snail 7 points, right? Yeah.
हाँ कर सकते हैं.
Cool.
Movies with
Stand-up comedians.
Movies with stand-up comedians. I will tell you that this movie with a stand-up comedian or more in it, released in the 2010s, it is rated 4.1 on IMDb. Yeah. I mean,
ये जॉनी लीवर को तो नहीं कंसिडर कर रहा है ना स्टैंड-अप कॉमेडियन.
Before we start the questions, आपका again stand-up comedy.
ask us the question. This is already going to be counted as a question.
2010 है तो जॉनी लीवर नहीं होगा. 4.1. The obvious. Could it be तू झूठी मैं मक्कर?
But it's in 2020s, not in.
All right. 4.
Again, 5 minutes, guys. We're already done with about 30
4 on IMDb.
seconds.
But जैसे आपने पिछली वाले के कुछ बेस दिया था वैसा भी तो बताओगे या सिर्फ इतना ही?
I told you ना, it's rated 4.1 on IMDb and released in 2010, so 2010 to 2020 के बीच में.
अच्छा.
And it has a stand-up comedian in it.
राजू श्रीवास्तव तो नहीं है.
हाँ ये पूछ सकते हैं एक्चुअली कि do you count the League of Raju Srivastava also in the stand-up comedian?
Is the stand-up comedian primarily an English stand-up comedian?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, वीरदास.
कितनी सारी आ जाएंगी. मस्ती ज़्यादा क्या कूल है हम.
वीरदास क्या कूल है. हाँ क्या कूल है हम मस्ती ज़्यादा. एक सेकंड. Does this have Sunny Leone?
No.
So it's not मस्ती
It's
ज़्यादा.
not. And it's not क्या कूल है हम also. क्या
She
कूल
was
है
in
हम
there
तो
also?
वीरदास में ही नहीं क्या कूल है हम तो वीरदास ही नहीं था क्या कूल है हमने. क्या कूल है हमें रितेश देशमुख और तुषार कपूर है. Oh by the way, I met तुषार कपूर the other day.
Wait, what? How?
Yeah, I was ऑटो पे मैं जुहू जा रहा था. वो कार से उतरा मंदिर जाने के लिए. मामा वाज लाइक मुझे फोटो खिंचवा रहे तो वो फोटो खिंचवा के मम्मी वापस आ गए.
I'll tell you guys, Snail's mom is awesome at this. Okay, she will just go up to people and be like, "Ha, I want to take a selfie," and people will be like, "Ha, okay, it's a nice lady who's a fan."
Did you say, Tushar, it's too late to pray for your career? Tushar, if you're watching this,
आंटी
we
ये
love
पिक्चर
you.
वायरल तो नहीं जाने वाली. रहने दो.
Anyway, what other movies was Veerdas in?
Okay, quick guys. 140 is over.
Does this movie also star Imran Khan?
No.
Delhi Belly would not be 4 on IMDb.
क्या किया है?
Are you sure it's Veerdas?
इंग्लिश कॉमेडियन इंडिया में और कौन है?
बहुत है यार. तन्मय भट्ट भी है.
तन्मय बट इंग्लिश कॉमेडियन है.
Hey, it can be the movie that Abbas did also.
But that's 2020, it's
That
not
it is.
2010.
एक सेकंड.
Okay, हम
कि प्रोमिनेंट रोल है कॉमेडियन का कि नहीं?
Is the comedian in a prominent role in this movie?
Yes.
Yes. English comedian in a Hindi movie in a prominent role. Oh, अरे वो कंदन गिल की फिल्म सोनाक्षी के साथ. हाँ. Yeah, Noor.
Yes, it is Noor. Fuck yeah, bro. That's again 7 points for Abbas right there. Very cool, bro. Very cool. So yeah, you guys could just have asked, is Veerdas in the film? Why were you going down his films? What is wrong with you guys, yeah? What the hell? You're strategizing, हाँ पूछेगा खान वान है कि नहीं? Veerdas बोल लो भाई. 10 मिनट वहाँ पे चले जाएंगे.
Fair.
But okay, very cool. We'll do one final one because that was a very both these have been very quick and very fun. One final one. Choose a category, guys.
Cheaters never prosper.
या जाओदे साहब.
जाओदे साहब कर लो. पर
Cop movie बहुत हो जाएंगे ना. Which one are you saying?
Cheaters never prosper.
Yeah, cheaters never prosper.
Okay, cheaters never prosper. This
कभी
movie.
अलविदा कहना.
That's one question done.
What the fuck?
Okay. Cheater never prosper. Movies that have infidelity or cheating as a plot point.
हाँ.
It is 7 out of 10 on IMDb. This movie released in the 2000s, between 2000 and 2010. Okay. Between 2000 and 2010. So 2000s May it came out. Again 7.7 on IMDb. It's a movie which has cheating in it, but I must specify. Once you hear the name of the movie, you will say calling it a cheating film is a bit of a stretch.
तो फिर मत बुलाओ ना
तो फिर क्यों
I'm
पूछ
telling
रहा
you,
है?
I'm telling
क्यों
you,
तेरे दिमाग में मेरे
but that's a very big plot point. But it's not a cheating film.
But the category is
See,
film
I've helped you a
movies
lot
that have
already.
infidelity and
I've helped
cheating.
you a lot already. You tell me now.
What the fuck?
You go ahead. 2000s, a 7 on IMDb, and cheating in it.
उसमें तो वही है
उसमें तो प्रॉपर चीटिंग है.
I'll start your timer now.
2000s 7 on IMDb. बहुत ही वास्ट है यार ये तो.
वो पहले सोचना नहीं था भाई.
पूछूं Does it have any of the three major Khan, Shahrukh, Amir
Yeah.
or Salman? It does?
Yeah.
अमिताभ भी पूछो. पूछो अमिताभ पूछो.
तो कभी अलविदा ही पूछ लेना भाई.
अरे नहीं, वो तो मेरे पास एक और थॉट है.
I don't think नहीं होगा. अच्छा ठीक है. Does it have Amitabh Bachchan in the cast?
No.
मैं मोहब्बतें में जा रहा था.
उसमें infidelity का है.
नहीं है. बट वो कह रहा था ना स्ट्रेच है.
नहीं, infidelity is there. But it's not. Okay.
आमिर तो नहीं होगा. आमिर की कौन सी पिक्चर? मंगल पांडे में कोई चीटिंग थोड़ी थी. ओह लगान. नो.
बट वो 2000s में थी.
2001.
Yeah, 2000.
हाँ, तो लगा नहीं होगी. Is it लगा?
If that was right,
Elizabeth
Abbas,
cheating.
how much would you hate him? But that's wrong. That's not the answer.
बट मुझे लग रहा है आमिर की है. बिकॉज हम लोग आमिर की कोई चीटिंग वाली मूवी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेंगे और वही निकली.
आमिर मूवीज इन 2000s. दिल चाहता है, लगान, मंगल पांडे,
एक second,
तारे
दिल
जमीन
चाहता
पर.
है- एक सेकंड. दिल चाहता है में चीटिंग है कहीं पे.
Oh, Preeti Zinta kind of is cheating on Ayub Khan, right? With Amir, with Akash.
बट वो
Does the film have Ayub Khan?
पूछा
Man, you know, this and what if he's doing some sidey role? Oh no, he's not. He's not. He's not.
आमिर पूछते आयुब
No.
क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
He's not.
So it's not Dil Chahta.
कितने हो गए? 7.
7 points हो
कहीं पे
गए.
नहीं पहुंचे.
4 question हो गए. 7
Khan
points.
मिला ना.
Yeah.
वही कह रहा हूँ आप.
तारे जमीन पर cheating.
You guys still have about 3 minutes.
There's so many movies of Salman in the 2000s.
Was he cheating in any?
All of them.
नहीं मैं रियल लाइफ की
Hey,
बात नहीं कर रहा.
हम दिल से चुके थे ना? No, but that's 99 I think, not 2000.
किसी स्पेसिफिक खान का नाम पूछना है तो उससे काफी बड़ा चंक एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा.
Salman पूछूं?
एक सेकंड. हमने शाहरुख पूछा भी, हमने सिर्फ खान पूछा.
Khans. So it does star
One of
one
the
one of the major Khans.
कौन सा पूछना है?
But not Ayub Khan.
एंड नॉट कैफ.
Salman, should I ask if Salman is in the movie?
ठीक है पूछ लो.
Is the movie starring Salman Khan in the cast?
No.
No.
भाई शाहरुख.
Then it's a Shah Rukh movie.
होगा.
So now you can discuss with the audience also. You've done us 5 questions.
Guys,
क्या लगता है दोस्तों?
what's on your mind, guys?
Doesn't have Salman.
Doesn't have Salman, so it's either a
Does
Shah
not
Rukh
have
or an
Salman.
Amir movie. Amir had select movies in the 2000s. It's
मेरा
not
कौन
Dil
से साल
Chahta.
में है?
It's
Dude, is it
97.
about that guy cheating on the country, Chabin?
Wow!
But he wasn't cheating. That was the whole point.
See, that's a stretch.
No, but now he's confirmed it's not because he's saying.
Yeah. बोलो कुछ तो बोलो दोस्तों. 2.5 मिनट अब तुम्हारे पास.
Was
1.5 मिनट, sorry, 1.5
चलते
मिनट.
चलते was in 2000s, right?
चलते चलते में वो चीटिंग.
पर उसमें चीटिंग नहीं है.
और
हाँ.
हो ही रहा है बस वो पूरा टाइम चलते चलते में तो. एक वो भी थी शाहरुख सलमान और
But Salman is not in the movie.
ओ सलमान है थोड़ा.
Who cheats, guys? Who's
कुछ होता है क्या?
97?
97.
Yeah. Oh, could it be Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum? Does anybody cheat in that? But it's not. Amitabh is not in the movie.
Yeah.
Okay. हाँ.
डॉन.
But he's not cheap.
Oh.
Kareena Kapoor, but
No, not correct.
Kareena Kapoor.
Should I ask? Does the
मैंने वो प्रियंका हाँ पता है.
Can I ask a question?
तो ये डॉन ही पूछता है. इज इट डॉन?
Does the movie have the song "Khai ke Paan Banana"?
I'm not gonna take it as a question because I that was a joke question. That's fine.
Oh. He's not denying it, yeah. Should I just ask if it's Dawn? Guys, should I just ask if it's Dawn?
But
But एक second, उसके अंदर कहीं पे
So it's technically Priyanka thinks it's the other guy, but it's not. It's the OG Dawn.
But cheating कहाँ आया?
He already has a girlfriend also.
Oh, does he? No, right? It's the.
ओ ईशा कोपेकर उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड होती है.
yeah, but how is that a major plot point?
But it's not.
He's saying
That's
it's a
what he's
stretch.
saying.
He's like, it's not
There
the.
is cheating in the film.
When you hear the name of the movie, cheating is not
पता
the
मुझे
first
ऐसा भी
thing.
लग रहा है कि हो सकता है लीड एक्टर ने करा ही ना हो चीटिंग, पीछे किसी सपोर्टिंग एक्टर ने करा हो और
But
वो
it's a
ठीक
big,
कर
big
रहा हो.
plot point, he
You,
said.
you could ask her as a question.
What? This thing?
What he's saying.
मुझे यही लग, मुझे क्वेश्चन की जरूरत है, मुझे लग रहा है यही है. मेन एक्टर ने चीटिंग नहीं किया.
So then who's
Okay,
cheating?
quick guys, five minutes are up. 5 minutes are up.
but
I'll
अब तो
give you-
audience है ही ना.
I'll give you
Who's
one extra
cheating
minute quickly.
Do the Khans fix in the 2000s?
Quick. एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे तुम लोग ने आफ्टर सिंस द
नहीं,
ऑडियंस
अभी नहीं पूछ. यही चल रहा है.
दोस्त जल्दी करो
कोडिंग कास्ट वाला शायद पूछ लो.
सपोर्टिंग कास्ट में हो रही है चीटिंग, मेन लीड नहीं कर रहा. मतलब मेन लीड कर रहा है, सपोर्टिंग कास्ट में हो रही है.
गिव मी यस और नो.
सपोर्टिंग
he
कास्ट में
asked
हो रही है
you.
चीटिंग.
सपोर्टिंग कास्ट में हो रही है चीटिंग.
मैं आपको बोला रहा सपोर्टिंग कास्ट में है चीटिंग.
Very nice. Okay, quick. The time is up, but
Arre?
this is fun. But I will give you guys some more time.
क्या?
मैं हूं ना.
It is Meuna. Yes.
Who cheats in मैं हूं ना?
अरे लकी.
Lucky and
Oh.
also Naziruddin Shah cheats. Guys. Yeah. Yeah. See? Nice. You get it. So now I told you, now you understand why I said it was like a little bit of a stretch. But yeah, cool. That is 5 points for Snehal and the audience. Because there was clearly
Yeah,
like
collaborative
effort. Yeah. Very cool, guys. That brings us to the end of this episode of That Filmy Game Show. Very well done, guys. Very well done. Very nice. That's it. Time for the scores. Let's wait for the scores. How was your experience of this new iteration of the show, guys?
I loved it.
Felt
Thanks.
very new.
It's felt very new.
Yeah. There's definitely some new
felt really
aspects to it.
Without the pressure of emptying the studio because there might be another recording. It's,
But there is another.
There is another- All right. Where do we stand, good sir? Let me actually, you
अरे इसको
calculate,
नहीं
right?
इसको नहीं पूछेगा experience.
उसको चाहिए नहीं. इससे तो मैं भी अगले संडे फिर मिलूंगा.
Snail, how was
was
this thing?
great.
Okay. That's it. I knew. That was the answer. All right, guys. The audience has come in at 20 points and third place. Very nicely done. 20 points with the amount of questions they got to answer in the final. In the end was very,
Yeah,
very,
very good.
Very cool. Snail is in second place at 35.5 points. Very cool. And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, Mr. Abbas Mohammed is with 45 points.
Thank you.
Yeah! Party time.
So do I put my face through this?
You can at some point whenever you want. If you want to make a
Sure.
hole right now in it, you can do that also. An acceptance speech. That's fine. और कितना ही branding
No,
करूँगा
I would
मैं?
like to thank my competitor Snehil Aneja for showing up.
Without whom this could not have
This could
happened.
not have happened. And Snehil is still a little pissed on the koi mil gaya answer, but such is life, Snehil. So
It's
that's what
fine.
happens.
It's fine. Yeah. After 4-5 victories, I can lose one. It's okay.
Nice. Very cool.
Nice, yes. And
Okay.
I have surprised myself by winning this round, this
Okay, cool.
game. Yeah.
So will you go home and tell your parents, guys, I won?
No.
Good time.
पापा मैं
Man, you
डेंटिस्ट
can
नहीं
at
बन
least-
पाया, बट मैं बिगेस्ट बॉलीवुड बादशाह जरूर बन
और
पाया.
आपको पता है ऑडियंस में 3 लोग थे
लोग
पापा.
3 लोग, bro. And now they are lifelong friends. Hey.
अभी जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करा लेना.
Please subscribe. Let me increase by 3 subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys.
You're most
Please, any
welcome.
plugs? Please check out Hazard Age Well. Check
Yes.
out our Filmy Colada YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. If you're not, please do remember to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll be putting out a lot more content regularly. Filmy Colada, please follow. IVM Pop, please follow. And yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy. Have a good time.
Can
have
you
a good,
plug our
fun time.
individual Instagram handles?
Yeah, please.
Why not?
As if वो मना करने वाला था भाई. Like नहीं.
Yeah, of course.
Follow me on Instagram at AbbasMomin88 and
Yeah, so see why I feel like there's no point nowadays in plugging Instagram handles is because anyone who wants to find you can just say your name and just find you that way. You think
Say my
that you think anyone is actually typing Abbas Moment 88?
yes.
No, I highly doubt it. Highly doubt it.
Abbas Momin 88. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. There are 88
कौन
others,
हो?
87 others.
Really, what gave it away?
All right, Snehal, anything else?
My Instagram handle is @snehal and my YouTube channel जो हम लोग साथ में चलाते हैं that's Filmy Colada. उस पर हम लोग ने एक नया पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया है which is called Pop Conversation. हम लोग ने प्लान किया था कि हम पॉपकॉर्न्स रखेंगे, आएगा वो दिन भी जब हमारे बजट्स बढ़ जाएंगे. But yes, we do a podcast called Pop Conversation. The page is called Filmy Colada. Please do subscribe.
It's Filmy Colada, guys, not.
Filmy
ये
Colada.
थॉट दूसरी बारी जब बोलेगा तो फनी लगेगा लोगों को.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You can try.
I'm just saying, spell it correctly.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
FILMY space COLADA.
KA space LAUDA. It's basically what it is.
Yes.
But
All right.
yes.
Thank you so much, guys. Please, again, thank you. Okay, firstly, I must say that I have recorded about 8 episodes. So, any of the lovely comments and suggestions that you guys are sending me in the comments on the episode that I'm releasing in the last month or so, I'll only be able to start implementing them from this episode onwards.
yeah.
Did you implement in this episode?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
No. I don't remember. But बोलने में याद है यार. Thank you so much for all the lovely comments that we've gotten on both the channels, mine and Snehal's Filmy Colada channel.
Yes.
And it's been very nice to see, and I can't thank you guys enough. So again, thank you so much, guys. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.